Hey guys, welcome to the first part of our video about the Infinite Runner game development. Today we'll be discussing how to create your first game and survive. We will divide the entire process into 4 parts: preparation, monetization, game marketing and game publication. I am Anatoly from Yakozena channel, and I came to my first game project after creating 9 simple Unity games using tutorials. These games was a training ground for creating and publishing my own game. In the process, I decided to create a small, fully fledged game to completely go through the process from idea to release the game with monetization. We will temper our ambition. AAA projects are made by teams of dozens of people, not by us yet. The vocation of our first game is to give development experience from idea to release, and preferably as quickly as it possible, and the project must not be an impossible task for me. It will be a set of a couple of mechanics combined into a game. During development I will be looking for tutorials. Almost anything has already been done by someone before us, and maybe even recorded a YouTube video about it. Let's dive into the first stage, preparation. For my first game, I aim to learn the development process from idea to release and monetization, even if it's 1 cent. Make something interesting and gain experience. To touch the feeling of the future player, the constant anxiety, tension and desperation of the situation, we will move the action into a game of a fictional country of the former Soviet Union, Russia. The protagonist is an ordinary Russianin. In order not to see the real situation in his country, he has to be intoxicated. If the alcohol level drops to sobriety, the game ends. The hero runs down the street collecting the change to get down to the shop and buy alcohol. The alcohol level decreases with time and receive damage from collision or enemies. Originally, I wanted to use the left and right arrow keys to control the player, but I thought that we will have a dynamic game, so now to change the direction we need 1 button only. Talking about the enemies, obstacles, aggressive people or animals. User interface displays us only 2 values, its amount of money and alcohol level scale. To start prototyping, I use a tutorial, I will leave link in the description, for adding and deleting tiles. Briefly, it works this way explained in this video.
The way we're going to be doing this is by creating a ground tile, which will be composed of 2 tiled objects. A plane, which will be what the player runs on, and an empty game object, which will tell the next tile where to spawn. The red dot shows where the ground tile's pivot is, which is the reference point for its position. This means that if we have 2 tiles, and set the position of one of them to the spawn point of the other, the planes will line up perfectly. With that in mind, let's implement it in our game.
Also, I added an obstacles. At first, I plan to place the camera in front of the character to make him more visible, but then I decided to change it to the back view for the better view of obstacles and easier control. For making object kill the player, I used a simple on-collision method. Also, I added coins and made them add score and added a simple user interface. And that's the first part of our game development. Keep an eye out for the further developments. Thanks for watching, guys! In the next video we will be continuing working on our prototype before we discuss further stages: monetization, game marketing and game publications. So stay tuned and don't forget to like, share, subscribe. See you in the next video!